What up, cousins? Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, welcome to Shay's Tiny Living. I am Cousin, or you can call me Shay. And on this channel, you will find everything that got to do with tiny living. Okay, cousins, I did do a video on TikTok saying if you had any questions, ask me, and I will get some questions out of the comments and I will answer them. Well, we are here at the video box to answer them, cousins. So, cousin, what I have decided to do, instead of just answering all the questions, I have decided to insert some videos so you can actually see some of the stuff that I am telling you. Cousin, this is the drink machine and the snack machine. So if you want to snack at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, you ain't got to leave out of the RV complex. Here it is right here. I had a question about laundry, but I do have videos posted where y'all seen me doing my laundry. But here it is right here. We do have a place where you can do your laundry, and it feels so good. It do have an air conditioner blowing 24/7. So here you go, you guys. Okay, cousins, I had a question about what if your toilet gets stopped up, what will you do about a bathroom situation? And as you can see, it do have a bathroom. Here go the sinks, here go the mirrors. It do have 2 stalls you can use. I don't know how the men's bathroom look because I have not been in the men's bathroom. And as you can see, it do have an AC in here. It do have a heater in here also. And they have 2 huge showers. They are pretty big in here. And it do have a bench where you can sit at after you shower, or, you know, if you want to just put your stuff right there. But here is the bench right here that I was talking about. But as you can see, this is a nice size shower room. Okay, cousin, next question was, what if you have a truck or a boat or something that you didn't want to use right now? And as y'all can see, you can store your boats here. So you can see, you can do pretty much what you can do in a house. And as you can see, they are growing peppers and bell peppers and tomatoes. And I think I seen some green tomatoes. So as you can see, you can do exactly what you can do in a traditional house. You can have your boat, you can have your fruit, you can have your vegetables growing. Whatever you want to do, you can do it in an RV park if you choose to do it. This one right here, he built on storage on this one. And a lot of people were like, what are you going to do with your business? And as y'all can see, I turned one of these rooms into my office. So my business have not stopped. I still do my business. So cousins, as y'all can see, it's just like a traditional house. It's whatever you make of it. Cousins, as you can see, this one built a deck on. They got a picnic table, and they got a thing where they grow their flowers on. This one put a shed, and this one right here, as you can see, they got a boat. And this one right here, they got a pen for their dogs. And as you can see, we have somewhere to throw our trash daily. We do get the mail just like a regular house do. And as y'all can see, I am about to sit back and watch me a movie. I think this is Bad Boys 4. So, like I said, we do everything you can do in a traditional house. You have to just minimalize a little bit. And sometimes you really don't even have to minimalize. It's however you do it. But you can see the decks, you can see the boats, you can see the garden. You can see all kind of stuff, cousins. So as you can see, cousins, I did answer the top 5. It was a lot of them, and I didn't want to make long videos. So I'm sitting outside right now enjoying it by the rain. I have my awning up. I am enjoying it. So just so you know, we have been in here since April, and when I tell you, cousins, I am loving every minute of it. So keep coming with the questions, anything you want, I will let you know. I don't know a lot. Like I said, I only been doing it since April, but what all I do know, I will let you know, cousins. Thank you, cousins, for watching, and watch for the next video, because y'all know I'm coming, cousins. And thank you for all the new subscribers, all the continuing subscribers. I appreciate y'all, cousins. Bye.